Hey, are you a foreign professional working in Bangladesh? Maybe in a big project, a factory, or a company? Then this video is for you. Many foreigners like you face one common problem: visa extension. Your visa may be close to expiring, or maybe it's already expired, but the process feels confusing, slow, and stressful. You are busy with your work, team, and deadlines. You don't have time for all the paperwork. And once your visa expires, you start getting fined every single day. That is exactly why Ural International Travels is here to help foreign professionals with visa extensions, exit clearance, and document correction quickly, legally, and transparently. Here is how we help you. First, our expert team reviews and prepares all your documents correctly, so there is no chance of rejection or delay. Second, we keep you updated step by step. You always know what's happening. And finally, we handled all official procedures with the Departments of Immigration and Passports. Even if your visa has expired, we guide you through fines and exit clearance smoothly. So don't stress about your visa anymore. Let us take care of it while you focus on your project and your goals in Bangladesh. Contact Ural International Travels today and experience a truly hassle-free visa extension services.